Hey guys, so I'm gonna go to the district to get a spa.
The cafe is called.
You see those stairs, ma'am? When you go up, the spa is all the way to the right.
All the way to the right.
Yes.
The stairs.
These
not
stairs, yes. When you go up, all the way to the right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm gonna go to the district spa. Spa. All the way to the, maybe here. Ah, here. Yeah, this is it. Good afternoon. Thank you. Ano pong date today?
24 po. Basta magbakasyon lang.
Thank you.
So,
Hey.
and then finish with a signature Swedish massage an hour. So for the massage, you can choose your oil. We have peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender po. Pwede naman siya i-smell ng iangat na face. Ito po tayo, ma'am. So please change into your sarong po. Pakita ka na lang po sa damit, ma'am, then your underwear, change into your nice possible. You may put your things here po in the basket.
Okay. Ito.
Nabigyan po kayo?
Gusto ko lang i-vlog tong experience.
Okay. Sige po. Yung ano lang ha? Kasi lang sa akin.
Okay lang po.